How can the Startup folder speed up your computer's boot time? Imagine your computer waking up and getting ready to work. The faster it gets moving, the sooner you can start your tasks. One way to help it wake up quicker is by managing what starts automatically. The Startup folder is like a list of programs that launch when your computer turns on. If this list is full of unnecessary apps, your computer has to work harder and longer to get ready. This slows down the boot process and can make your system feel sluggish right after logging in. By controlling what goes into this folder, you can cut down on the number of programs that load at Startup. For example, you might have apps like music players, update tools, or social media notifications that aren't needed immediately. Removing these from the Startup folder means fewer programs compete for your computer's resources during boot. This frees up CPU and disk space, which are both used when your computer starts. Less resource use means your system can become responsive faster. In Windows, the Startup folder exists for each user and for all users on the device. You can add or remove shortcuts to programs in these folders. For instance, if you see shortcuts for apps like Spotify or Adobe Updater, and you don't need them to start right away, removing these can speed things up. But it's important to keep essential programs like antivirus software and system processes to keep your computer secure and stable. Managing Startup programs isn't just about the Startup folder. Modern operating systems like Windows also have tools such as Task Manager. You can use Task Manager to see all programs that launch at Startup, even those not in the Startup folder. Disabling unnecessary programs here can make a big difference. Other operating systems like macOS and Linux also let you control what runs when you log in. They use system settings or configuration files to manage Startup applications. This control helps improve boot times and keeps your system running smoothly. In summary, managing the Startup folder and other Startup settings helps your computer load faster. It reduces the workload during boot, allowing your system to become ready quicker. This simple step can make your computer feel more responsive immediately after you turn it on.